Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Hey good people, today I am bringing you the latest news of Shaun Mamkhize. Shaun Mamkhize, who is a businesswoman, has joined Uzalo soapie that plays on SABC1. Mamkhize will first appear on Uzalo on Thursday 4 March. The Uzalo spokesperson Nomfundo confirmed the news on Daily Sun and said yes, it's true. Shaun Mamkhize will be joining Uzalo for season 7 and she will play a mysterious wealthy woman. She also said she's not sure how long Mamkhize will be part of the show, as the writers are still developing her storyline. Mamkhize said to the People's Paper, "I am extremely excited to my guest appearance on Uzalo. What a fun experience it was to join the cast. I can't wait for everyone to see another side of my many hidden talents." Congratulations to Mamkhize for landing her first role on Uzalo. We wish her well. Well, the message that I have to the youth or young people who still want to be actresses and actors, they need to start building their audience on social media and all will go well. So what do you think about Mamkhize joining Uzalo? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more videos on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye good people.